Ready to dive into the immersive world of spatial computing? Let's unbox your future. First, carefully remove the Apple Vision Pro from its packaging, ensuring you have all the components: the device itself, the light seal, headbands or straps, and of course, the charging cable. Next, it's time to attach the light seal. Align it with the magnets on the Vision Pro and gently snap it into place. Make sure it feels secure, but not too tight. Proper fit for comfort and the best visual experience. Now, put on the Apple Vision Pro and adjust the headbands so that the device feels comfortable and secure. A good fit is crucial for clear visuals and prolonged use. Power it on and get ready to follow the on-screen instructions. The Vision Pro will prompt you to connect to Wi-Fi and log in with your Apple ID. Then the Vision Pro will calibrate itself using your eyes. Navigating the interface is all done with your eyes and hands. Simply look at an icon to select it. Then gently pinch your thumb and index finger together to click. Use your hands for scrolling, moving windows, and interacting with elements in the space around you. Dive into environments. Access the control center to change your surrounding environment from fully immersive to a more transparent view of your real world. Tweak it to your preference and comfort. Congratulations! You're now equipped to begin exploring everything the Apple Vision Pro has to offer. From immersive entertainment to spatial computing, the possibilities are limitless. Subscribe for more tips, tricks, and in-depth guides on mastering your Apple Vision Pro.